But not all renewable electricity can get on those lines because of the bad temper of solar and wind sources. The power grid's job is to balance supply and demand at the speed of light all the time, making sure the plant generates not too much, not too little. Fossil fuels and even hydro can instantly adjust output as desired. But solar and wind are like untamed horses. They just run wild. So if too much or too little renewable energy enters the system when not needed, the grid will fluctuate or even collapse. That's when curtailment happens, a purposeful waste of solar and wind energy.
Most countries tackled this by keeping more reliable sources of energy production in reserve.
高冷链厂3号机、4号机执行40%深度调峰。好的，收到。
新能源它的波动性比较大。 因为整个电网它会根据每个时间段它都有个变化趋势，所以说它会有一个波动性。所以说你看4号机，它就接到它指令，它就往下减。
The new challenge for this powerful generator is how to keep a low profile.
就像以我们100万机组来说，我们正常调节区间应该就是50%到100%。我们目前的深度调峰的这个能力啊，应该就是从40%，逐步，我们现在已经探到20%。
But if the wind drops, or when the sun deeps beneath the horizon, they have to be ready to ramp up their production.